We got some just plain old raw shrimp, and then we got some shrimp here with Kool-Aid and garlic. We're gonna see what works better.
He's on there.
Oh, nice.
He's running now. Into the rocks.
All right, be patient with. Ah, little guy, you can probably pull him up, huh?
Just try to pull him up.
All right, first fish of the day, Sandusky Bay.
Yep.
Hopefully that's not the biggest fish of the day.
That's a good eater size.
That's right. That's a little small even for an eater.
This is Lake Milton size here.
Oh yeah. You know it's small for Sandusky Bay when you weren't sure if you had a fish on or not.
Yeah. I just got a few little love taps and then all of a sudden set the hook on them and hey, it's a fish.
Yeah.
But
oh, it's a start. At least now we know there's fish here. Hopefully that's not our thumbnail.
launched. Oh, he's coming back to it. Oh, he's right there in the rock.
Well, that fish was already worth the drive. Well, hey, after that's a bonus.
Right?
Got him.
Fish on.
Not a big one, but we got a fish on. Got a fish on.
Maybe the light's turning on.
I don't even know if it's a catfish. I don't need a net.
You don't need a
Another
net.
little guy, he's smaller than Jay's.
Big fish of the day so far for me.
Oh boy. We got us a Sandusky Bay youngin. Yeah, that's gonna be a 5-pounder in a couple years. As long as I don't kill him on the release. Got him. Nice on the chicken.
Yeah, he's still in there. Shrimp.
Need a net?
I don't think so.
Oh boy.
Oh, boy's right. Another small one.
Well, it's nice to see it. Jay finally came back from getting his Gatorade. Get on some monster cats.
Yeah. Ow, he just got me. Just spined me. God.
Oh shit.
It's all right. It's all right.
Here, let me get him for you. Take care of your. Oh, he got you good.
That's what happens, folks.
Look at his hand.
Yeah. Those little ones you gotta handle properly, or they'll get you.
Fuck, this is all your blood.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to start bringing a first aid kit.
This is really turning into a union job.
I've never seen anybody bleed like that.
Well, he stuck me right in a vein, that's why. And he like did a slit, not a puncture. Look, I'll show you here. I mean, it's not even bad. It's just a perfect slit right over top of my vein that ran right over my finger.
What we got here? He's still playing with it. He's still playing with it. Yep. Got him.
On there?
Yeah, he's on.
Small one?
Yeah, it's another small one. Another small one. But we got a fish. Oh, he's getting a little bigger.
Did that?
Nah, I think I can still handle him, but he didn't get much bigger. He didn't get much bigger.
Hey.
But he's bigger than that first one I caught, somehow. Oh boy. Now all of a sudden I'm freaking nervous on hooking a catfish after what Jay just did.
Oh.
Even though I've done 1,000 of these in my life.
I would say 1,000, I'd say a couple hundred. Oh, there you go.
Sandusky Bay.
The next.
Just playing with it. Yep, got him. Fish on. Oh, we got a runner. We got a runner. He's not a drag puller, but he's a runner. Am I finally catching a catfish on the Catfish Commando?
Uh-oh. What do you got? Oh, they're getting bigger.
Oh, yeah, he's feeling drag. Might need a net on this guy.
All right.
All right, catfish worth catching.
I need a good landing rod.
Put it up against the rocks there. All right. We got a fish with net.
I got him. Don't worry.
Here.
Take that. Figure out how to get the hell out of here. Yeah, they're slippery.
Catfish on the Catfish Commando. Still not a big one for here by any means, but at least it's an adult. Don't mind the gunfire in the background. He's nibbling on it. Got him. Oh, got some size to this one. Tom, can you bring that net down? I caught him. I didn't cast out very far at all, so he's already kind of close. Take your time getting down. I'll just hold him here. If you want to come on these ones, maybe to the left of me. Like, he's not a giant, but he's our first, like, decent one of the day, I think. All right, there we go. Got some meat on him?
Yep.
You got some meat on him?
Getting bigger.
I was only casting maybe 20 feet out.
Really?
Yeah. Like, if there's still some stragglers from the spawn, they're going to be close to the rocks.
Is it a light bite though?
Yeah, super light. Just like, just tap, 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 tap.
Sure. I had one of those.
Oh, that chase my pocket. Yeah, every fish we've caught, it's just been a really light bite. Oh boy. We gave our net a man bun, so it's not as deep. Make it a little easier to net the fish. But now we got them a little wrapped up here. Man. He's a beaut.
He's a beaut flirt.
Got him.
That was my fish. warming them up, and then he's catching.
You need a net?
Yeah, someone wants to bite down there. Just don't forget, we're not casting this far out, so we get these to the shore pretty quick.
Don't mind me, just retying again.
Careful, careful, careful. Oh, watch the line with the net there. Yeah, he's decent. It's okay, Tom. Let me wear him out a little bit. Well, you got the shrimp in the net. That's half the battle. Got him. All right. Well, since we're not casting out as far, they're not worn out when we get them to shore. They're still fighting. Got him. We got him. Sandusky Bay's warming up. Right in the corner of the mouth, just like we planned it. He is squirrely. 5 pound, 4 pounder, 5 pounder. Action is picking up for sure.
Where you at?
We're catching them like crazy right now.
What we got? There you go.
That's how we get them in. Oh, sorry, B-roll. Didn't mean to hit you with the net handle there. Action is picking up, folks. All of a sudden, we're catching them every few minutes. See how many we can catch before a storm comes through. They're liking the shrimp. This is the garlic cherry shrimp. I caught the last 2 on, but they're hitting all the shrimp. Oh, he's gonna drop. Oops.
He's biting.
He's on there. He's on. There you go.
We hooked him.
Take time with them. Try to bring him over here once we wear him out.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's giving you hell, ain't he?
Yeah, Rick. This might be a good one.
Oh yeah, let him feel when he's running.
And look at the rod.
Yeah. Good
I'll try to stay down low so the line don't hit my head. Try to keep the line underneath that line. Don't let him cross, you know what I mean?
Come this way with your pole. There we go.
You see him?
Yeah. He's swimming all through there.
All right, hold on.
Okay. Got one here.
Nice one.
Yeah!
Wow.
There you go. Whoa, there's a piglet.
That's 12 pounds all
This
day.
is why I came.
Yeah, this is what
Yes, sir. That thing, you caught that thing 20 feet from shore.
He's like, look at the rock.
There, somebody
like, I know.
grab this.
There we go.
Wow. Here, let me weigh them and I'll hand them to you for a picture. Shaking hands.
11.
Yeah, almost 11. Yeah, it's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's
Okay,
turn
put the
sideways.
belly on him there. Hold him up by the belly. Stick him out. Stick him out there.
Yeah, give him one of these. Hold the tail with one hand.
Yeah,
There you go.
there you go. Well, that's nice and long.
Got it? Nice. Yeah, let's release them this way.
So that's what they look like.
God, remember the ones we were catching when we first got here?
Yeah.
There you go. There he goes.
I know David.
Got him.
Oh, yes.
Fish showing finally.
You bet.
I don't think so. I don't think so. God bless it. Really? Really? Sandusky Bay, really? Come on. Look how deep that hook set was.
It was a fun few hours up here at Sandusky Bay. Got in some nice fish, some small fish. Jay almost lost his thumb getting spiked by a catfish. But we got some storms coming in, so we're gonna have to call it quits. But we got like 11 fish today, so it's a good day.
Got other thumb.